Skittles! She has Skittles! We want to taste the rainbow!
Please?
It's the FBI! We have to get those Skittles. Maybe she went through the back. She's sitting there eating Skittles in front of us. We want to taste the rainbow!
No sour Skittles, though.
But they're still Skittles. She's going through the back. Or not. She is! She's going through the back. I'm gonna make this very dramatic. Skittles!
You have a sour one in there, too.
Sweet! Yes, Skittles. Taste the rainbow.